Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix background noise on Fifine mic. So first of all guys, you have to make sure that your mic volume button to the lowest point. Keep your mic knob to the lowest point, and also now once you keep your uh, mic knob to the lowest point, you have to click on this sound icon over here at the bottom. Click on sound settings, and in the sound settings make sure your mic has been selected. As you can see, my mic has been selected here, and now you have to click on this more sound settings. And now once you're in this settings, you have to click on recording, and here guys, just double click on your mic listed here. Now go to labels, and now guys, just try to keep this microphone label between 60 to 80. Fine, so you can keep this between 60 to 80s, but I'll recommend you to keep this at 70 to 73. And also, if you want to check, you can check your microphone background noise by clicking on this listen to the device, and just use your headphone. So now once you're done with this setting, and if you're recording in OBS, so I'll tell you how can you reduce your background noise completely. So you just need to guys click on this three dot in mic and click on filters, and now you have to guys click on this add button over here. Fine, click on it and choose the noise suppression. Choose the noise suppression. As you can see, click on this noise suppression. This will be added in the audio filter. Now try to keep this noise suppression at the in the middle. As you can see, at minus 30 dB. Keep this at minus 30 dB, and check your guys voice in the OBS. You can record a sample video and listen to your voice, and you will see the major difference between earlier video and after the applying the noise suppression video. So yep, that's how you can guys reduce your background noise, or you can fix the Fifine mic background noise. So yep, hope you like it. Subscribe for more video, and till then, bye bye.